So here we have my old LEDs, or my backlight LEDs from my 55-inch TV. If you watched the previous video, we went ahead and replaced that. Now it all works perfectly fine now, except for those spots that I did point out. It has nothing to do with backlights. It has everything to do with some sort of dust or debris or some sort of a scratch that apparently happened during reassembly. But that aside, that's a little side note to that. The LEDs were the concern. I had purple hue spots or a haze spot, and we had about 4, maybe 5 total. Anyway, I thought it'd be kind of interesting to test out these LEDs and see how many were actually bad. And I went ahead and picked up one of these LED drivers. And this is specifically for backlights. It's very simple. You just plug it in, put the 2 probes in it, and go ahead and test it. Now you can test individual LEDs or the entire strip. This goes from like 0 to 300 volts, and I believe 15 milliamps to maybe 30 milliamps max. So let's just try this out and see how many we get. Stay right there. All right, because I'm a man of not reading instructions, that's where they go. Hopefully we don't blow anything up. But I'm just going to grab these probes here, just in case you want to pick up one of these for yourself, as long as this whole thing does work here. But this is what it looks like. And we just got the 2 probes there. We do have an on and off switch, and it's a basic 120 volt plug-in right there. There's the back. Nothing else to really see on it. Again, it did come with instructions, but why use those? Red to red. Black to black. And I believe we can test them together, but if we can just test them individually, I mean, this is capable of testing each LED individually, but also it should be able to test each strip individually, and then we'll see if we can test the whole entire strip together, just for plain curiosity. It's not that it's really going to matter to me. I think I'm going to chuck these anyway, but I thought it'd be kind of interesting to make a video. So this thing, by the way, was only like $15, so it's not like I've wasted a bunch of money just on nothing, but in a way I kind of have. I just wanted to give this a try. All right, so let's get this thing plugged in. And we do have the on and off button, so we're going to turn that to the on position. And I don't know, okay, it does do something. We'll give this a minute. Maybe it has to initialize or something. I don't know. Yep, it looked like it did. We are... Output voltage right now is actually showing 300. So I don't know what this is going to do, so let's see. So we do have a positive and a negative lead on here, or terminals on here. So we're going to go positive right here and negative. And look at that. So it does light them up. It looks like we're at... Oh, there goes the other one. It does want to light up. Do you see that one? Right here, it doesn't want to light up. Huh. It's flickering. And it's barely lighting up. So I don't know how you can actually test each individual LED, because I would have to take the diffused lens off of it, but it does appear that that one, I'll bet you that one works. I think it, I don't know, that one could be on its way out. So, but I don't see anything like a purple. They're kind of more of like a, they're more white right now. All right, let's check out this one right here. Matter of fact, this is the starting point of it. So let's just turn this one around. I mean, it's just not doing anything. All right, now we have them all connected. Come down here. And we'll try this out again. Oh, look at that. So now it works, and I don't know if you can see it, but that, let me see if I can show you. Very tough. There is one in here, if you can pick out which one in here, then at least the colors are correct. But this guy right here, this is like a blue or a purple. And it's kind of going to be impossible to show you because I can't tilt it. But it's very hard for me to tell even from the camera. The camera doesn't look like it's picking up the correct color. And of course that other one is pretty dim, so that one could be on its way out. All right, so we know we have one bad one right there, so that's one, and then one on its way out. All right, so I got them all connected here, so it's just a little quicker for me. Let's just demonstrate once again that this one, all right, so we have one dead, and it does kind of come on, and we have one that is definitely that bluish purplish color, and that's at 37 volts. That's what that takes to power that on. Let's try this next one. Positive, negative. We also have one and actually two. So we have, now these are not in orientation of where they were, but we have this one, and the one on the very end is starting to change to a different color, so that's a problem. So that would be 3 in total so far. So just letting you know, these are not connected in the way that they came out. So the short and long ones could be mixed up with each other. And the orientation of them when they were sitting in there can be completely different. I just reassembled them. They're all the same, so they all go together. Just an FYI. All right, let's try the third one. Third one. Okay, all these ones are actually good. Those ones are all good. And we have 2 dead. So you can see right here, but all the rest are good. Some are flickering. But these 2 right here, they're not even coming on. All right, let's try the 4th or 5th one. And we do have one definitely, which would be this one right here. And then this one is a little dimmer, and it might even look a little different colored. So that's 4. And then we got this one. Okay, so the one on the very end. So this one right here was a different color. And just in case you're wondering what one of these look like without the diffuser on it, I have it in my hand here. But you can check out that center piece in the middle, that white piece, and then in the middle of that white piece, that white square, that is the actual LED. And this is just a diffuser to make the light go everywhere. And there you have it. That was it. That's all I kind of wanted to do. I don't know that I'm going to even keep the good ones around because, quite frankly, it was like 50 or maybe it was like $70 for this entire kit. But the other TV's working, so I'm happy. And this was just plain out of curiosity, just to entertain you and myself, and, you know, pick up a $15 item. And even in the future, I can actually test backlit LEDs for this very purpose, which I could not before. So anyway, leave your comments down below, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon next to the subscription button to get notified for any future videos that I do post. And hit that thumbs up, please, just to help the algorithm if there is any, and just to show love and support to the channel. Maybe you didn't like this video, but it would still help me out. So until next time, guys, take care.